Today is Sunday, where my day is lazy. After taking a nap this afternoon, I continued my next activity, which was taking a bath and immediately doing ablution. I performed the mitzvah prayer as a Muslim. Next, I tidied the prayer rack into place. Don't forget to make my bed so it looks clean. Then I got ready to go to the market with my friends. My first time using skincare. Here's us of Wardah serum products. The second is followed by the use of polyclinic day cream. Three, the use of foundation. Last, use of powder. And then apply lipstick. Tada, beautiful! This is me and my friend went to go out of the boarding house to look for an angkot. Her name is Lasmi. She doesn't go to the market because she is sick. We continue to walk to our destination. The angkot has arrived. It is Padang State University. I study there. After a long journey, we arrived at the market. I met a cute clown. My friend bought clothes for his sister. They also buy skincare supplies. It made me wait a long time. We keep going. And we stop at a shop to buy baby clothes. This is me and my friend at a pastry shop. The last place we visited was the meatball seller. See my adorable friends. It's rained very hard. We went home after that. And we took shelter while waiting for the car to come. Tada! The car is coming. And we got into the car. And we go home. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.